Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get Windows 11 ISO for free. So Microsoft has released its first Windows Insider Preview ISO for the general public. So now this is the best time if you ever wanted to do a clean installation on your device so that you can also experience some of the new features in Windows 11. Okay, so before you start downloading Windows 11 ISO file, there are some few things you need to consider before downloading Windows 11 ISO file. The first step is to check your PC compatibility if you meet the requirements Microsoft is asking. So this is the minimum requirement Windows is requiring every device to meet. So if you are still not sure about your device, there's an app called PC Health Checker, which I've already made a video about that. So I'll leave the link at the description for you to check this app before you start downloading Windows 11 ISO. Okay, so once your device meets the system requirement, the next step you have to do is to go to the Windows Insider Program web page. Okay, so once you are inside the Windows Insider web page, scroll a little bit down, you'll see register. Click on register and sign in with your email and password. So if you already have a Microsoft account, there's no worry about this. You can just use the same email address. So I'm going to add mine, then after I'll add my password as well. So enter your email address, then the next thing is password. Okay, you have now joined Windows Insider Program. So now on Windows Insider Program, scroll a little bit down at your left side, you'll see Quick Connect. Under Quick Connect, there's ISO file. Okay, so go ahead and click on that. Okay, scroll down again and select your Windows edition. So as you can see, we have different type of Windows preview. We have the dev, the beta, and release. Okay, so for me, the dev channel is what I've been using for a while now, and I've never encountered any problems, so I will still go ahead and choose that one. So once you are done with that, click on confirm, then you go ahead and choose your language as well. Okay, so once you choose your language, you now have the downloading page, 64-bit download. So click on that to download. Once your file has finished downloading, if you want to install Windows right from here, you can just double click this ISO file to mount into a virtual drive. Go to the virtual drive, click on setup, and then you can start with your installation. But with this type of installation, you won't be able to delete the previous Windows, but you rather replace it with Windows 11. So if you want to make a clean installation, then you need to create a bootable drive with a special tool called Rufus or whatever they call it. So here's their website. This tool is totally free. You don't need to pay for any money to download. It is free. Okay, so you can scroll down and download the file size you want. So once you launch your software, now go ahead and insert your pen drive. You should have at least 8 or 16 gigabyte pen drive, and also make sure that you don't have any valuable items on it because you are going to format the pen drive completely. Okay, so insert your drive, then you go ahead and also select your ISO file, the one you just downloaded. So click on select, then you navigate to where the ISO file is. Then after, you can decide to make some changes. For me, I always leave it like this. So you can just go ahead and click on start button, then it will start formatting. Once your bootable USB drive is ready, you can now restart your machine and boot from there. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Also give the video a thumbs up. Thank you for sticking around, and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.